Welcome to my video. I didn't really get that much progress, but dealing with fine detail is like that. Takes a long time to do, but the end result is not that noticeable. But it'll print better. It's less complex geometry. Just kind of feels better too to have it closer to the sculpture, I guess, and not wonky looking in sculpt mode. The solutions are still kind of a surprise in terms of what is tolerated for display and render. Different than strict quads. Sometimes triangles and sometimes n-gons are just fine. Thanks for watching my video.